Want to start your own YouTube channel but don't know where to begin? In this video, I'll walk you through the exact steps to create a brand new channel. Customize it and get ready to grow. Whether you are starting for fun, business, or to share your skills, this guide I will make you it simple. Let's get started. Hi, I am Amardeep and I'll help people master digital tools and grow online. If you are new here, hit subscribe for more tutorials. Today I'll show you how to create a YouTube channel, set up your profile and optimize it for success. Open YouTube and then type YouTube. Then after opening YouTube, let's wait till the open YouTube. Then click on the profile and there you can see create a channel. Open on create a channel. Allow. Create channel. You can just simply modify the name of the channel. Then press on create channel. Now you can see your new YouTube channel has been created. The first option you have to do is customize channel. The settings is very important. Customize channel just because to get extra customers, subscribers on your website. Choose country of residence, India. And then save. Again open settings. Advanced settings. Set it to no. Set this channel as not for made for kids. Don't show potential inappropriate words. Disable interest-based ads. Then do save. Also you have to do enable for this, verify your phone number, and you can enable these intermediate features. Also you have to enable advanced features by enabling video verification is important. Then try saving it. And that's it. You have created your YouTube channel and uploaded. Now it's time to share your voice with the world. If this tutorial helped, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tips and comment below with the type of channel you are starting. Thanks for watching and good luck with your YouTube journey.